你好，你们好. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to say thanks. You will know the tones, the initial C, and negative word, 不. People say 谢谢 when they get help from others. We have learned the final 耶. Let's get to know the initial C.
西
First, grin to open the mouth like saying 一. Then put the tongue in place. The right hand represents the tongue. Here's the front of the tongue. Here's the tip. The left hand is the lower incisors. Place the tip of the tongue against the root of teeth like this. Then grin. Breathe out and make a sound. 吸, like whistling with a grinning mouth. 一耶 falling tone. 耶 西耶谢. The tone of second 谢 is missing. The lack of a tone makes the pronunciation easier and more comfortable. There are 4 tones together in Chinese. We can mark them on a 5-line staff. Each line represents a pitch. When we count, we begin with 1, 2, 3. When we sing, we begin with do, re, mi, fa, sol. The first tone is the highest and flat. So, so. Open your mouth wide and speak loudly, as if you are seeing a dentist. Ah. Yep, the dentist saw your throat. Well done. 很好. The second tone is the rising tone. It's a questioning tone. Rises from 3 to 5. What? Mi, so, ah? The third tone is the falling rising tone. Goes down from 2 to 1, then goes up to 4. Re, do, fa. It's hesitating. Well, okay. Ah. You need to practice the third tone more if you don't always hesitate. The fourth tone is the falling tone. It falls from the highest to the lowest pitch. So, though, like riding a roller coaster, you can't get to the end if you start halfway. So, make sure to start from your own highest note, then slide down. Ah. Did you repeat after me? Or did you just keep silent and listen to me? Please, take off your earphones to hear your own voice. 跟我读, read after me. Ah, 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 ah. Oh, 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 oh. E, 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 E. U, 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 U. Ü, 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 Ü. 很好. 好 means good or well. 不好 means not good or not well. 不 means negative. You may reply 不谢 when others say 谢谢 to you. 谢 means to thank. 不谢 means negative. Don't thank. 不 originally has a falling tone. But when it's followed by another falling tone, it changes into a rising tone. 不谢. That makes it easier to pronounce. You have to remember the changes of tones. Those always confuse foreign learners. 谢谢. 不谢。好，不好。谢谢，不谢。All right. See you next time. 再见。